Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show the performance of a boundary box features or base. This one is the object which is made by the boundary box features. Now I want to show without edge and invisible line. This one is the visible line. You're watching or watching. The line is visible and invisible. Now I'm taking this way and I want to show the different plane, top plane, front plane, and the bottom plane, and this one is the isometric. Now I'm going to the file, taking the new part selected, then OK. I'm taking the top plane here, go to the normal, go to the sketch, taking the center rectangle, sketch it. OK, go to the smart dimension, determine this one is the 4 by 4, and the square shape will be drawn. And right button is click here for again for okay, then exit it. Now I'm taking the front plane, go to the normal tool, taking the line command, and I am sketching from here. I will click enter, exit it. Then I am going to take the right plane, normal tool, and go to sketch line taken in the sketch. Okay, taking your address, click, select, then exit it. Then you are watching, this one is taken the top plane, front plane, and right plane. Now I'm going to the pictures and select the boundary box. First click on this the top plane, and this one is the direction 1. Select the direction 2. First one is front plane and the second is right plane. Here you are watching the sum changes. If you delete it, you will see this way, or if you take it, it will this way. Then exit it. Now I want to show the metal you are watching in different way. Okay. Now I'm going here, select the materials. I want to take the rubber. I will take the solid object, then white, orange color. Now orange is taken. Here we are watching in different way. Then going here, select the visible lines. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The redesign engineering is always with you. Subscribe and also comment in comment box and share the channel.